What up, getting back with another video. Today my dog just got pregnant. I'll turn on the flash. Y'all can see, but if y'all want to see this, what she look like. Oh my god, she got demon eyes. Hey, y'all want to see her babies? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, y'all. These are her babies. They're so cute. They're so cute. Here, y'all, I'm going to get a little bit more closer. As y'all cannot see that little white one, there's actually a white one right here. There's one right there. Today she had 5 babies. There's one right there. That's her big old baby. That's one trying to get in here by her. And that one looks like this one. Like y'all. See, like, watch. Let me go look at the boy dog right now. Y'all, this is the boy dog. And look up here to the little dog. The other little dog I showed y'all. That other little dog. Look what, this is her. And look at the black babies over there. And then, I'm going to move this thing. I didn't touch you. Stop the trip. Stop the trip. Alright, y'all, this is him. Like, that looks just like my other dog. I'm not trying to get too close in case, like, sometimes dogs will bite your face off. Oh, dang, she's on one. She's on one. She's on one. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. No. Look, that's her. That's him. I'm going to take the flashlight off of them. Look, she's getting up. She's getting up. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's show him the baby. Let me show him. Yo, look at them. Okay, I have like bright lights to them. Oh, hey, stop. Stop. Look. Hey, don't step on it. Don't step on it. Please. Please. Okay. Good job. She moved, y'all. She moved so the babies can sleep and she wants to come out. Come on. Let's go. Y'all, I think she's just going to sit back down. Yeah, she's just going to sit back down. She just want to sit back down.
Why are they crying?
Dada's got the video on camera of her getting up, but we're still watching it. Well, I'm trying to worry about these babies. Oh, the freak! I was about to say there's no way she's all of them. But she's really not. She's really not. Y'all, I'm going to see if I can get her out. Hold up. Hold up, y'all. I'll be back. I'll pick up the camera. Just hold up. I'm on a 10-minute break right quick. But not 10 minutes. I'll just meet her, do something, and then I'm done. I'll pick back the camera. So here we go. I'm going to flip it this way.
What?
Oh,
Are you
no,
touching
I
your
got
stuff?
the video
Wait a
on
second.
camera of the babies. Get on this.
Is that Chloe?
Chester, what are you looking at?
Dude, he has all these pictures on here. What the hell is that?
Dude, that's disgusting. You can look that kind of stuff up on your own time.
Dude, it was already on the screen. It's not mine.
Listen, I already set up the camera in here, bro. Let's just get on and go to our room before it comes back.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm back. But y'all, she still had to move. Like, she had to move her foot. Y'all, I need to get right here. Y'all can see there's a lock on the other side. The feet. Y'all thought I was lying? She actually is pregnant, bro. What the freak? The freak is that? Yeah, I don't know, but look at this one. Just look at that one. They're chilling. Look at the other ones with their mommy. Trying to make sure I can see if she's not biting them. Oh, they're getting milk. Is that on? She's licking her own stuff. She's cleaning herself, y'all. But this one hadn't moved. Not that one, not that one. Hold up. On. Boom. Another one's sleeping right there. Yo, what is this black dog doing, bro? He's just crying. See? Yo, look at her. Look at her. Chocolate. Look at her. She got the white and black. And look at the rest of the dogs. Yo, I don't know why. That one came out white. Like, white. All I know, I think, is that dog named Pongo. Cause, y'all watch. I was trying to show y'all that little other dog. This little other dog is my dog right there. The one by my dog named Chocolate. The one with the legs. Keep doing that. Shh. Shh. The one when she just yo, I just heard a baby sound. Not that sound, but see? That one's still getting milk from everybody else's things. You have to get clean. Yo, she. Oh, he fell. No, we do. I know. Oh, shoot! No. On the black one. Not on the black ones. Hold up, y'all. I need to get her off the black one. Hey, no. What? Get off. Get off of it. Oh, I fell. What the freak? Whoa. And they're just literally sleeping. Oh, they got her. They got her right here. And that's him. And then he didn't see my camera. What the freak? See if I can get a view. Don't hit the camera. Yo, but this is the end of the video. Hope y'all like this video, but I do not like this video. Cause dogs getting pregnant, bro. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna post this video and bye. Always peace.